requirement is this is the ice cream heaven. So from the ice cream heaven, the person has to go to Parkview Hotel. No, that's the requirement. Now we have to give the direction. Okay, right. Let's see how we can write the direction. Hmm. Go straight on 4th Avenue. Go straight on 4th Avenue and take the second turn on the left onto second turning on the left onto Center Street. Okay, right. So see the way I have written the first description. I am saying go straight on 4th Avenue. Okay, so this is the 4th Avenue. No? Okay, so you have to learn how I am writing this description, that you have to learn. So go straight on 4th Avenue. So this is the 4th. Now he is here. No? Ice cream heaven is here. So the person is here. So he is on 4th Avenue. Already he is on 4th Avenue. Okay. So if he is inside ice cream heaven, we can say exit the ice cream heaven and then go straight on 4th Avenue. So this is 4th Avenue. So we say on. Go straight on 4th Avenue and take the second turn on the left. Okay, so this is the first turn. This is the first turn on the left. I'm saying no, don't take the first turn. Take the second turn on the left. So this is the second turn. This is the second turn on the left. So on the left, once you turn, take the second turn on the left onto Center Street. So once you turn, you will be on Center Street. That's what I say using this preposition onto. So you need to remember the usage of these prepositions. Okay, so when we learn these things, students, you all need to remember how I am using these prepositions to give the meaning. Okay, so you first say go straight on 4th Avenue and then take the second turning on the left, not the first turning. First turning is Main Street. I'm asking you to take the second turning. So second turning, once you turn, you will be on Center Street. So I am saying take the second left. Take the second turn on the left onto Center Street. Onto Center Street. So once you take the second turn, you will be on the Center Street. That's what I'm saying here. Okay, go straight on 4th Avenue and take the second turn on the left onto Center Street. On the left onto Center Street. Okay, right. Then I can say continue on Center Street. Continue on Center Street past 3rd Avenue. Okay, see, I'm saying now we are on Center Street. So here, if you look at this part, now we have said on the left onto Center Street. So the person is on the Center Street. Now we are saying continue on. Continue on කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ පාරේ දිගටම යන්න. Continue on. Continue on Center Street. ඒ පාරේ දිගටම යන්න. Continue on Center Street. Go ahead. ඒ ඔක්කොම කියනකොට වඩා අපිට ලේසි. Continue on කියලා කියන. Continue on Center Street. Continue on Center Street. Past 3rd Avenue. Past. We use the preposition, sorry, the word past. Okay. So here that means past this 3rd Avenue. Continue on Center Street past 3rd Avenue. Continue on Center Street past 3rd Avenue. So this is the 3rd Avenue. So you go past that. Okay, continue on Center Street past 3rd Avenue. You go past that. Okay. Continue on Center Street past 3rd Avenue and even 2nd Avenue. Right. What I'm saying is continue on Center Street. Okay, Center Street again past 3rd Avenue. 3rd Avenue ka pahu karana. And even 2nd Avenue. 2nd Avenue ka pahu karana. Center Street එකේ දිගටම යන්න 3rd Avenue එකත් පහු කරන්න. දෙවෙනි second avenue එකත් පහු කරන්න. okay එතකොට මම past එක දාලා මම කියන past third avenue and even second avenue එක pass කරගෙන යන්න. right? Now we can say, okay, now the person, now he started from here. So he came here. Now he is going like this. He has passed the third avenue. Now he has passed the second avenue as well. Okay, so you pass the second avenue and you are here. Okay, once you pass the second avenue, you are here. Right? Okay, now you say right after passing, right after passing second avenue, you will find the Park View Hotel on the right. You will find the Park View Hotel on the right, right? So you pass the second avenue as well. So this person started from here, came here and came like this and passed the second avenue as well. And after passing that, this person is here. Then on the right side, you can find the Park View Hotel. That's what I have said. You will find the Park View Hotel on the right. You will find the Park View Hotel on the right. Right after passing second avenue. So this is the second avenue. No? Right after passing the second avenue, or else you can say second avenue junction. Right after passing second avenue junction, you will find. So we can say here right after passing second avenue junction. So this is a junction, right? So this is a junction, right? So we can say right after passing second avenue junction, you will find the Parkview Hotel on the right. You will find the Parkview Hotel on the right. So this is the right side. No? So you find the Parkview Hotel on the right side. Now on the left side, you find the bank. No? Then maybe we can say, to give further information, you will find the Parkview Hotel on the right. Across the bank, right? Across the bank. You can tell like that as well. You will find the Parkview Hotel on the right. So Parkview Hotel is on the right. No? So you are saying you will find the Parkview Hotel on the right. Across the bank. What is meant by across the bank? So the bank is here, no, students. Bank is here. So across the bank only you find the Parkview Hotel. Across the bank. Across the bank. Then you are giving more details. Across the bank. So bank is here. So we are saying across the bank you find the Parkview Hotel. You find the Parkview Hotel on the right. Across the bank, you will find the Parkview Hotel on the right across the bank. This is how you give the description. මන් දැන් දෙන මේ වාක්‍ය ටික ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් ලියන්න ඕනේ. right? ඔයා මේ පාර දිගේ දිගටම ගිහිල්ලා දෙවෙනියට දකුණට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. මේ පාර දිගේ දිගටම ගිහිල්ලා. එතකොට එක පාර දිගේ දිගටම යන්න කියනවා නම් continue, go straight කිව්වත් කමක් නැහැ හොඳේ. ඒකේ වරදක් නැහැ හොඳේ. Continue on this road and take the දෙවෙනියට දකුණට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. එහෙනම් take the second turn on the right. Take the second turn on the right. දෙවෙනියට දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න කියලා කිව්වොත් එම take the second turn on the right. Take the second turn on the right. එහෙම දැන් take the second turn on the right. Second turn, take the second turn. දෙවෙනියට හැරෙන්න තියෙන එකෙන් හැරෙන්න on the right. දෙවෙනියට දකුණු පැත්තෙන් හැරෙන්න තියෙන එකෙන් හැරෙන්න. Take the second turn on the right. Take the second turn on the right. Take the second turn on the right. හරි. ඊළඟ වාක්‍යය මේ පාර දිගේ දිගටම ගිහිල්ලා පළවෙනියට වම් පැත්තට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පාරෙන් මල්ලසේකර පාරට හැරෙන්න. මේ පාර දිගේ දිගටම ගිහිල්ලා පළවෙනියට වම් පැත්තට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පාරෙන් මල්ලසේකර පාරට හැරෙන්න. right? Continue, or you can say continue, or you can say go straight on this road and මේ පාර දිගේ දිගටම ගිහිල්ලා go straight on this road and වම් පැත්තට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පළවෙනියට වම් පැත්තට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පාරෙන් මලලසේකර පාරට හැරෙන්න. Go straight on this road and take the first turn on the left. දැන් පළවෙනියටම වම් පැත්තට තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න කියලා තියෙනවනේ. හරිද? එතකොට ඒක තමයි මේ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. Take the first turn. ඔකට මේ turn කියන එක ලියලා නැහැ. First කියලා ලියලා තියෙනවා. Turn එක දාලා නැහැ. Take the first turn on the left. නේ? Take the first turn on the left. ඒ කියන්නේ වම් පැත්තට මුලින්ම තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. වම් පැත්තට පළවෙනියටම තියෙන පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. නේ? Go straight on this road and take the first turn on the left. මල්ලසේකර පාරට හැරෙන්න කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් take the first turn on the left onto මලලසේකර road. එතන මෙතන use කරන්න ඕනේ proposition එක තමයි onto මලලසේකර road. Go straight on this road and take the first turn on the left onto මලලසේකර road. එතන මේ onto කියන proposition එක මෙතන use කරන්න ඕනේ මල්ලසේකර පාරට තමයි හැරෙන්න කියන එකට. එතන take the first turn on the left. වම් පැත්තට තියෙන පළවෙනි පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. Take the first turn on the left. වම් පැත්තට තියෙන පළවෙනි පාරෙන් හැරෙන්න. Take the first turn on the left onto මලලසේකර road. මල්ලසේකර පාරට හැරෙන්න තියෙන පළවෙනි පාරෙන් ඔයා ඒ කියන්නේ වම් පැත්තට තියෙන පළවෙනි පාරෙන් හැරුණාම මල්ලසේකර පාර තමයි වටෙන්නේ. ඒක තමයි මේ කියන්නේ take the first turn on the left onto මලලසේකර road. හරි? right. ළමයි මේක තමයි ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න ඕනේ අපි. ඒක අපි ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරමු ලබන සතියේ. හරි? ඕකේ ළමයි. bye then.